हे गाइस, तो आज का रिव्यू स्टार्ट करने से पहले फन हिस्ट्री टिप। सो इन द 14th सेंचुरी अपेरेंटली मंगोल्स ने प्लेग इन्फेस्टेड डेड बॉडीज को वॉल के ऊपर अपने एनिमी टेरिटरी में फेंका था टू इन्फेक्ट देयर पॉपुलेशन। And what you think of as a very good, interesting war strategy is perhaps the earliest known instances of biological warfare. Yes. So, जिस भी महापुरुष ने ये कहा था that bio warfare is going to be the nuclear warfare of the 21st century, well, वो काफी सही था। Bio warfare यानी bio weaponry, which is actually weaponizing a disease, a pathogen, or a virus, is actually more deadly in today's times, as we can see around us, than what a nuclear weapon could do. So, welcome to That's What She Said. और आज हम जिस सीरीज के बारे में बात करने वाले हैं, well, it is based on a conspiracy theory. And conspiracy theory तो छोड़ो, इस सीरीज को रिलीज होने का इससे ज्यादा अप्रोप्रिएट एंड मतलब परफेक्ट टाइम नहीं हो सकता था। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, दिस सीरीज विल एक्चुअली टेल यू why you should not be waiting so eagerly for that vaccine. Well, coming to today's series, it is Utopia. Utopia का मतलब contrary to popular belief. The popular belief is कि it comes from eustopos, which means the Greek word for a good, perfect, beautiful place. But contrary to popular belief, it comes from otopos, which is actually a pun and it means no place. So basically there is no place as the perfect place. Abhi Utopia is streaming currently on Amazon Prime, and this series is actually the remake of the original UK television series Utopia, the same name, which was broadcasted in 2013 to 2014. Now, I don't want to be mean, but US has a habit of taking things from UK and making it worse. The TV series Skins, the TV series Hunted, colonialism, they make it not that good. Well, coming to this particular series Utopia, it had been created by Dennis Kelly और जैक डॉनली ने इसको साथ में लिखा था इस सीरीज को। Now, इसका story basically goes around that there is a group of extreme nerds who are coming together to discuss their graphic novel, and suddenly they find themselves running away from murderers who are after their lives, torture their families, etc. And there are clues hidden in the graphic novel. They have to decode it and they try to save their lives. This is the UK series ka first season broadly. Now, one thing that I have to absolutely mention is when you're watching the UK ka series, उसका जो cinematography है, the visual palette that is used, it is so, I mean, what is the word for something which is more than perfect or more than beautiful? Like, you get my point, right? It is pleasing. Every frame that is shot, it is wow. It is just wow. So, Old Bergfield and Laurie Crawley have done the cinematography, so give those guys a thumbs up if you know them, because they have done a beautiful job. And I also have to absolutely mention Christabel de la Vere, who has actually done the background score for this series, has done an amazing, बहुत सुंदर काम किया है. Like, if you're watching the series and you just simply tune into the background, मेरे को personally लगता है that background score is actually an element, is a character in the storytelling. And इस series में, UK वाली series में particularly, wow, मतलब wow, beautiful, amazing, wow, मेरे को इससे ज़्यादा words नहीं आते. They have done a great job. Now, coming to the US series, the US series has been created by Gillian Flynn. Also, you know Gillian Flynn if you have read Gone Girl or Dark Objects, Dark Places or Sharp Objects. So you know that the plot is going to be kind of very gritty and edgy. But the US series kind of disappoints me in certain ways. फॉर एग्जाम्पल उन्होंने स्टोरी लाइन सेम रखी है बट प्लॉट्स में कुछ कुछ चीज़ें इंट्रोड्यूस की हैं और कुछ कुछ चीज़ों को हटा दिया है, बट मेरे को लगता है उसके चक्कर में प्लॉट का इम्पैक्ट उतना नहीं रहा. लाइक द सीक्वेंशियल way of the events happening, I did not find it falling into place that much. It did not work that much for me. Also, I mean, because if you have seen the British series, or you would definitely have that comparison at the back of your head. And visually, उसमें उतना variety नहीं था. Like it was not that appealing as I thought it would be. And the thing that works is, well, इसका opening sequence अच्छा है. मतलब I personally always look at the opening sequence when I'm looking at a series. So opening sequence is to give you an idea of the premise, उसका basic timeline setting, theme क्या है. So although visually बहुत extravagant नहीं है, but it does the good job of conveying the idea. The background music has been composed by Jack Russo. And इस सीरीज का जो प्लेलिस्ट है, यानी the songs from different artists which have been used in certain settings and certain parts of the series to create that mood, to create that atmosphere, it does not hit the point for me always. Like मतलब उतना मज़ा नहीं आता. कुछ कुछ बहुत अमेजिंग लगता है, like wow ये गाना बढ़िया है, इसको मैं Spotify पे डालती हूँ, but otherwise it does not work for me. Also, another amazing high point of this series is if you have watched Being John Malkovich, then you should definitely watch John Cusack being effortlessly villainous in this series. And अगर Hellboy fans हैं यहाँ पे, and if you know Alice Monaghan, then you are in for a big surprise. Also, Christopher Dunham has done a great job. उसके अलावा Ashley Lathrop, Dan Bird, Desmond Borges, they have done a pretty good job. But इस सीरीज को देखने के लिए मेरा पर्सनल मोटिवेशन, मेरा पर्सनल सेल्फिश मोटिवेशन जो है is Dwight Schrute, also known as Rainn Wilson, you guys. He plays the role of Michael Stearns, who is this very naive and good scientist who's literally trying to change the world for the better. But I just wanted to watch Rainn Wilson on screen. If I really have to talk about rating this series, इसका सिर्फ season 1 निकला है अभी तक, and on the storyline so far, and there are 7 episodes, I would give it 3 stars. 3 stars में से 2 star, I mean obviously कम इसलिए because see, after watching the British series, you kind of expect that visual element. You're waiting for that excitement, for that splendor, for that framing. लेकिन वो नहीं मिलता है, वो थोड़ा सा डिसअपॉइंटिंग होता है. एंड ऑल्सो जैसा कि मैंने कहा था, जो प्लॉट लाइन सिक्वेंशियली फॉल करता है वो थोड़ा सा फ्लैट पड़ जाता है. इसके चलते लाइक आई सेड, मतलब कैरेक्टर्स मेरे को उतने ज़्यादा फ्लेश्ड आउट नहीं लगते, और पर एपिसोडिक मतलब उसकी इंटेंसिटी उतनी अच्छी नहीं लगती. लाइक इफ हैव टू बी ऑनेस्ट, देन यू रियली हैव टू गेट थ्रू द फर्स्ट 3 to 4 episodes for the intensity to pace up, for it to like really grip you that much. But इसके high points भी हैं, as I said, Rainn Wilson. Other than Rainn Wilson, of course, the cast is amazing. They are effortless at it. Even the youngest member, like these series have some like very surprise छोटा पैकेट बड़ा धमाका actors, और you guys should really watch the series for them, if not for anything else. Also, the thing which I liked was 6th-7th episodes में like towards the end there are certain sequences जहाँ पे comic को, yes, US वाले इसमें इसको comic book बना देते हैं, तो comic के story को propagate करने के लिए they have certain animation sequences. And although उसका ज़रूरत story में end में था to reveal and unravel the plot, but ऐसा मेरे को लगा, मतलब as a fan, कि they could have had more of it, to be honest. Like that was really enjoyable. That was visually appealing also. That was pretty cool. So they could have had more of it. And also, other than that, I would just say that you guys should definitely catch it streaming right now on Amazon Prime. Reasons to watch it may, I will say कि 1, Rainn Wilson. Well, no, of course Rainn Wilson, but more than that, it's a conspiracy thriller. So if you are really into the conspiracy theories of the internet and stuff, you guys should definitely give it a try. Like double thumbs up for that. It is much better than watching aliens ने pyramids बनाए हैं वगैरह वगैरह. So this is something which is substantial and relevant that way. So you should definitely give it a try. ऑल्सो अनदर रीजन इज, जैसे कि मैंने कहा था, इसको रिलीज करने का मतलब इससे बेहतर टाइम नहीं हो सकता था. द यूएस सीरीज स्पेशली जो अभी रिलीज हुआ है Amazon प्राइम पे, लाइक रेलेवेंस इज, मतलब ऐसे कभी कभी उसको रियलिटी के साथ कंपेयर करो तो थोड़ा ऐसा डर लगने लगता है, बट देयर कुड नॉट हैव बीन अ बेटर टाइम टू वॉच इट. And also a reason that if you really want to become that nerd and that conspiracy geek in front of your friends, then why not? You really have a conversation starter now. So you guys should definitely catch it and let me know what you feel about it in the comments below. Also, if you like my reviews, then you should like, share, subscribe, do all the algorithmic engagement to, make it more visible so that I keep posting more reviews. Until then, see you till the next review, guys.